Hi, welcome back to another video. For this design, I'm going to be using some enailcouture double XL square nails. And the first thing I'm doing is just filing the tip of the nail to make it extra square, and then filing around the cuticle area so that it can be nice and flush with my natural nail. After I do that, I'm going to go in with some base coat gel, and I'm going to apply that and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. For the Halloween movie characters that I'm going to be putting on the nails, I printed them out on some water decal paper, and the paper I used was transparent. So in order for the colors to show up correctly, you have to put them on a white background. That's why I'm going in with some white gel polish. I applied 2 coats of that and cured in between each coat. These are the movie characters that I'm using. I have Pennywise, the Bride of Chucky, Freddie Krueger, Michael Myers, and Jason. I don't even watch scary movies, but I just know that these are like the classic scary movie characters. That's why I use them. And here I am just applying the decals. After I place them in the water, I just slide them off of the decal paper and place them on the nail. But for these bigger decals, you want to make sure that you cut slits around the decal so that it'll lay on the nail smoothly, or else you'll have little bubbles in it. After I placed all of the decals, I'm just going around with the nail file and filing off the excess. You don't want to have that excess hanging off when you top coat it, or it'll just make the whole decal lift off of the nail. So you want to try to get all of that removed from the edges. Now I'm just covering up all the parts of the nails that are white. I had to start with white because of the decals, but of course I wanted this set to be dark and spooky, so I'm going back in with black. And once I do that, I'm just going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm taking some of this red gel polish that I got from AliExpress. It came in a kit with 36 colors, and they just come in little pots, and it's a little bit thicker than regular gel polish, so I use it as like spider gel to kind of give that like webbed effect. So I'm just doing that on 2 of the nails. But I really do recommend this gel polish that comes in a pot. It's 36 different colors, so if you're somebody that wants to create so many different nail designs and different colors, it's definitely worth it, and it's really inexpensive. So I'll have that linked in the description box along with all of the other products that I use. Once that was finished curing, I just went in with some top coat gel, and that was it for this set. I just love this design so much. This is my last Halloween nail design until next year, so I just think it's so cute. I feel like I saved the best for last. But thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I also wanted to say thank you to everybody who's already subscribed. I just hit 400 subscribers, and I'm really grateful. So if you're not a part of our nail crew, then go ahead and subscribe. Bye.